Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got a jewellery advent calendar to share with you. This is from Accessorize and it's a 24-day Your Advent Story. The cost of the advent calendar is £45. It doesn't state a value, but there's mixed metals in there, mixed metal shades. So it's not real silver, not real gold, but an alternative, so it's fashion jewellery, hence the price. I managed to get a discount off this. If you sign up to their newsletter, you'll get an email with a code which will entitle you to 20% off, which is what I got off this advent calendar. I don't know what's inside it. It's the first time I've unboxed a Accessorize advent calendar. Really excited. If you've been following me for a while, you will know I am obsessed with jewellery, absolutely obsessed with jewellery, constantly wearing it. Although saying that, I haven't got my bracelets on today. I tend to go for more bohemian style, like so big statement pieces, dangly bracelets, and yeah, I tend to stick to hoops though for earrings. I have got different style earrings that I like to wear, but yeah, generally I'm a hoop girl and I always have been. Worst case scenario is that it's all Christmassy themed jewellery. Now I know that would appeal to a lot of you and it's just me being a bit of a fusspot, but I don't want to wear Santa earrings and snowflake rings and things like that. Very cute, it's just not me. It's just not me. So yeah, hopefully it's not for my sake. But yeah, so let's get on to open this up. This is what it looks like. It's very flimsy. Very flimsy. Which is fine because it's easily recyclable. Okay then, so day number 1 over here. And look. Oh no, I'm gonna have to get scissors, hold on. We've got a bracelet here. I thought it was just plain gold, but it's not. It's got black stones. Can you see? Now I do have a preference for silver, but I do wear gold as well. I have a neutral undertone, so I can get away with wearing both really, but I do tend to go for silver more than gold. But no, that's quite pretty. I like the fact that it's got black stones in it. Day number 2 over here. Got some studs. Yeah, I can keep them in their little card, look. There. You're seeing them before me really. Oh, the little square or diamond little studs there. I've got 5 holes up there. So yeah, I would wear those, but I'll see what they look like in my ears if ever I fancy a change up. So that's day number 2. Day number 3, next to it over here. Oh, yeah, happy with these? Oh, and I know you lot are going to take the mick out of me now. I always have it. I always get it. My accent, my Welsh accent. I say earrings. As in Y-E-A-R rings, but earrings, I'll try and remember. I do really like these earrings. I do really like them. They're gold with some bling on the sides there. Oh, do you like my new nails as well? I had them done today. Yeah, I'm loving them. Anyway, sidetracking. Yeah, look. Nice little hoops with a bit of bling on the corners there. I really like those. Yeah, happy with those. Day number 4 over here. We've got more earrings. Now it did say that there's going to be a selection of hoops in there, and these are plain, I think. Yeah, they're nice. They're plain gold hoops. I would wear those maybe as my second hole. Where's my second? There. If I fancy doing like a gold stack. Day number 5. More earrings. These are like little stars with black stones to match my bracelet. But not really for me. I don't particularly like those. Yeah, not really for me. So I'll pass them on. Okay, day number 6. We've got more hoops. I love these. I didn't realise they're little huggies. So tiny little hoops. Look, they've got a little green stone. Oh, I love them. Aren't they gorgeous? Well, I think so. I think they're so cute. Yeah, really. Oh, and it's like an emerald green as well. Oh, that is beautiful. They are beautiful. I'm really happy with those. Day number 7 down here. Oh, we've got another bracelet. I love the fact that you can just pull them out like this and keep them all neat and tidy. Yeah, I do really like that. This time it is gold, but with sparkle. So like clear diamante type stones. Yeah, I like that. I do really like that. I would mix that up. I would not have a big stack of sparkly ones like this. I would mix it up with some, you know, Primark £1 bracelets, you know, the pack of silver bracelets. So I'll mix it up with those. And I've got some Clobo bracelets, which I normally wear. They're little dangly ones there. So I'd mix it all up. But yeah, because I'm not really into sparkly jewellery. You'll never really see me wearing anything super sparkly or girly. But it's not to say I don't like it. But yeah, I'd mix it up. But I do like the black one. Black one I prefer. What day are we? Day number 8. Oh, I like these as well. Oh, I'm so happy. There's no Christmas themed jewellery so far anyway. Look, we've got little lightning earrings with some sparkle. I really, really love them. And they look fab. Going up my ears. Yeah, definitely. They are really cute. I know my daughter would be like, ooh, can I share, mum? So we day 9 over here. These are really nice as well. The little Huggies, but with a drop down stone. I do really like them. Oh, see, if the hoop was larger, I wouldn't like them. Because they're Huggie type earrings, so they hug the curve of your ear, I like it. I'm weird, aren't I? I'm weird, I know. But yeah, really, really happy with those. Day number 10. Another set of earrings. These are pretty, but not my style. No. A bit too posh. That's what I'd call them. A little bit too posh for me. Nah, not my style at all. But my word, I love the green. That green is gorgeous. Yeah. I prefer the little, were they hoops? They were hoops, weren't they, with a little green stone. See, that's a little bit different. I love that, but it's not for me. Day number 11, another set of earrings. I thought they were dolphins at first, but they're not. It could be moons, or they could be a cow horn. Does a cow horn have a name? Not a cow horn, a bull ring, half a bull ring, you know? Or a cow ring. I can't remember what you call it. I've got a few necklaces like this. But yeah, they're really cute. I do really like them, and they've got a little sparkle in the middle there. Day number 12. No necklaces yet. No necklaces. We've got something for your hair. We've got a little slide, a little hair grip there. A little sparkly one. I'm noticing that the gold jewellery doesn't look super, super cheap. Yes, we know it's fashion jewellery. It's not proper gold and it's not proper silver, but sometimes, especially gold, it can look really yellow or orange even. But no, the gold in this box is a pale gold and it doesn't look cheap then, you know? No, that's quite cute. Again, I'm not really sparkly. I'm not into sparkly stuff, but I might actually, for a really nice night out, I might, like, instead of putting a Kirby grip, which is what in there now, I might put that in there instead. Day number 13 over here. We've got another set of Huggies there. Yeah, I really like them as well. I love the fact that you can create a stack of earrings. There's a lot of earrings in here to be able to do that. There's nothing silver though. Is it all gold? It might all be. Day number 14, back over here. More Huggies. Ooh, and these are like the gorgeous ones that I like with a green stone. But this is with a clear stone, a clear sparkly stone. Can you see? They're really nice, aren't they? Yeah, really, really lovely. Happy with those. Day number 15 over here. Oh, this is pretty. More earrings, but these are purple sparkly ones. They are really, really pretty. Yeah, I love those. Oh, I love purple. Purple's my favourite colour. Right, number 16. Number 16. Oh, bracelet or necklace? What do you think? It's a bracelet. I think we are building a stack of bracelets, you know, because we've got a gold bracelet, but with pink stones this time. That's it for me. I'll keep these two, but yeah, I'll pass these on. I don't know. They are pretty though, aren't they? They are really pretty. Day number 17 above it. It looks like that might be another bracelet. Let's have a look. No, it's not. We got a pin, a hairpin. I like that one. Yeah, it's very simple. I do really like that one. So yeah, just very simple. Day number 18 over here. Oh, whoa. Look at those. So they would look like that front on, but sideways. Yeah, I really like those. They're not normally the style I go for, but I do really like them. And I think, yeah, with the rest of the earrings going up my ear, I think that'd be really nice. Okay, day number 19 over here. It's falling to pieces now. Not many days left. Oh, and it's falling. It's another bracelet. What colour is this then? I'm sure this is red or purple. Hold on, I'll put it on. I can't tell. Oh, dark purple maybe. I think it's a dark purple or dark red. I can't tell what it is. Not with this light on anyway. It looks black to me, but it doesn't look as black as the other one. So yeah, a few bracelets. Day number 20 up here. These are a bit different. I'm sure the holes are intentional and the stones haven't dropped out of them. But I quite like that. At first I was thinking no, because I thought there might be stones in them. But no, I quite like that. I quite like the fact that you can see through. Little studs there. Day number 21. Ooh, what are these? These are really pretty, but not for me. No, they're earrings of every colour. Can you see? Every colour. But no, just not my style. Pretty though. Maybe Jasmine, my daughter, might like these. 22 up here. Whoop, I've just pulled that out. Oh, no, not for me. Calendar going a bit downhill now. But yeah, as I told you, I am fussy. Not into pearls. My daughter just bought a fake Vivienne Westwood necklace with pearls, so she might like those earrings. Day number 23. We got a hair slide. And I think this is black. Yeah. So we got black stones there. It might be nice to put that one with the silver one as well. That'd be quite nice. Okay, day number 24. And it's this large one in the middle. Is it going to be a necklace? I really want a necklace. And it is a necklace. It is. Oh, and it's a really nice one as well. Oh, I'm chuffed. Look, it's just ripping it apart. Look, 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 look. That is beautiful. I really like that. I would layer that. But yeah, that is so nice. Is it a choker? Let's have a look. It can be a choker. So that's nice. I would wear it with this necklace. Mix it up a bit. Have a bit of sparkle in there. Yeah, but it is a choker, but you have got this extender as well. So you could have it longer if you wanted to. But yeah, really, really happy with that. Oh, I am so chuffed looking at all the jewellery on the floor. Last year I unboxed a H&M advent calendar and it was really bad. Really, really bad. But I only paid, I think it was £20. The items had been put in upside down, so I couldn't get them out properly. And there was a lot of Christmassy themed jewellery. Plus there was a lot, if I can remember, jewellery more suitable for children than adults. So I was really gutted. H&M watched my video, or someone from H&M, and they offered to refund me the advent calendar back, which was really sweet of them. And I felt guilty then, really, really guilty. But I'm just being honest. I'm just being honest. But this, oh, I love it. And I'll definitely get another one next year if they keep on doing them. I'm sure they bring them out every year, but this is the first accessorised advent calendar I've had. Yeah, really happy. Some earrings, not to my taste, but I'll pass them on. I'd say the majority of the items in this advent calendar I really like, especially the Huggies. Plus it makes sense to have the one colour jewellery because you can mix and match that way. But yeah, so I get it. It's fine because I do wear gold now and again as well. But yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts though. Have you bought this advent calendar for yourself, or are you watching this for the first time thinking, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. Even if you think, do you know what, nah, it's not for me. But take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.